Want to scrape Amazon BSR data without writing a single line of code? Well, you are in the right place. We are using WebHarvy to scrape product data from Amazon, and I have loaded the Amazon BSR page within WebHarvy's browser. And to start selecting data, click on the start button to start configuration, and now you can just click and select the data which you need. The program intelligently identifies the subsequent product data and details, so you have to just select the data from the first product, and WebHarvy can automatically scrape data from hundreds and thousands of products by automatically crawling the entire page. So let's first click on the next page link and set as the next page link so that WebHarvy knows how to scrape data from multiple pages. Now we'll scroll back up, click on the name of the first product, and WebHarvy will display a capture window like this where you can add the data field. Let's call it name, and as you can see, all the remaining products are automatically identified. Now let's follow each product link to get the details. So from here there are lots of details, and most of the details comes after a heading text, and sometimes the location of the text which you need to extract can vary from product to product. So a foolproof method to select accurately the data is to click on the heading text instead and use the capture following text option, and then you can click on the capture text button. Okay, you can also get the image of the product. Highlight this area here and click apply capture content till the capture image button gets activated. Then click on it and you can download the image. You can also download the image URL if you don't want the file. Now scrolling down, let's go to the product details section. I want to scrape the ASIN and UPC of this product, so I can click on the item details and use the click option to expand it, and now I can get the ASIN just like previously. Click on the heading text, use the capture following text, capture text. Okay, also I can get the UPC code in the similar fashion. You can also get the BSR rank and customer reviews data. I could have also got the customer review data from here. Let's get the number of reviews. So if you don't want the parentheses, just highlight only the required portion, and this is the number of reviews. Let me get the ratings again, so we can call this rating 2, and assuming that we have selected all the required data, we can stop the configuration and start mining. Now this is where WebHarvy actually crawls the product listings page. You can specify the number of pages to mine. So here in this demo we are scraping 2 pages of listings. WebHarvy asks to select a folder where downloaded images have to be saved. Select the folder, and WebHarvy will load the same page for which we created the configuration, and as you can see, the product names are being extracted, and now it will follow each product link to get all the data which we selected. So if you're interested, I highly recommend that you download the trial version, the free trial version of WebHarvy from webharvy.com. And if you have any questions or need any assistance in configuring the software, even in trial mode, you can contact us at support@webharvy.com. Thank you.